this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. CG Crush found a cool idea for create blocks effects in special cases parts to make animate in Minecraft. You know, you always trying to find diamond, gold and some irons. And before find diamond, you must break some blocks. So for make effects of Minecraft blocks, you need some breaks textures and also opacity. First open the box and setting the size. Click M, open material editor and choose one of this material. Click this particle material and make it standard. Going to bitmap. Select one of your texture of Minecraft blocks and take it none up and open the very light for see this effects in render because you can't watch it in viewport. You should to see this into rendering. Then click it material and make it a standard and make some materials to a standard, for example 11 materials. So click first standard material and go into bitmap, find your FX blocks, click it, take it none, go in opacity and click bitmap again. Now find this opacity, take it none up, continue, then setting other this standard material. Each materials must have different textures. For example, if I made my first material standard, the second material texture should be a new texture. And make different texture of your materials. So I open multi subobject and I bring these in this multi subobject. So I bring these in list of material one by one. My FX break blocks is ready and texturing is very cool and you can see it in rendering. So it's really different and it's not one texture break blocks. I go in modifier and find material and switching its number of material ID. In multi subobject you have 11 numbers of material. So here's my FX blocks and I make it here in my blend material. Choose this color. If you make it color black, it's not show you effects because it's be invisible and you should to make it between white. So I render it again. Now you can't see it's really FX blocks like FX break Minecraft blocks. If I set in my material ID in render, you can see it's really great and very amazing. If I see my different texture is very cool for make animate with FX break, I copy two box and switching these textures for going to be different. So I'm setting ID again and this is still great and also this purple blocks. But if your some blocks are white for your blocks and it's not still show your FX break, you can switch it very white. Between white. So here you are. My FX break blocks of Minecraft is ready and if I each time I want I can create texture animate for breaking blocks of Minecraft animation in special parts. Thanks for watching guys. And if you want, please subscribe my channel and if you have two problems or some questions, you can write in the comment and tell me. See you soon guys.